Meaning of deckchair.
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 Deckchair. A deckchair is a type of folding chair that is commonly used for relaxing outdoors. The chair has a slatted seat and backrest that can be adjusted to several different positions, allowing the user to sit up or recline as desired. Deckchairs are often made from wood or metal, with canvas or other fabric used for the seat and backrest. They are commonly found on beaches, boardwalks, and other outdoor areas, providing a comfortable and convenient seating option for people who want to enjoy the sunshine and fresh air.